I put some relays up in my attic to control my bathroom heater, and as you can see, they've got some lights in there, and there's just the relays and stuff, and they were kind of in an enclosed metal box like you can see kind of there on the right. I was afraid they'd get hot, so I made that grill that you see there, and just wanted to show you how I did that. It was really simple. Okay, so it's just a metal box like this, but it's a bigger size than this one. It's just kind of to demonstrate. And so there's two pieces to this. They just kind of nest together. And so to assemble it, you just get you a little piece of screen and cut it to size. All right, so you cut it to size like that, and then I just cut the corners off so that it would fit over these little pegs. Just nip it off like that, so it fits in there. Okay, I had to go wash it. It was kind of brown and dusty. All right, so then you just push this down like that with those pegs. And now, really, you could just screw this on the box. It screws into these holes right here. So when you're making your pattern, this is a 1/2 inch deep, and I did 200 thousandths pegs, and then the holes are about 10 thousandths bigger, so they'll slide on there. And then you just make sure these holes will line up when you put it on like that, and really that would hold it. But what I did, I heated up a steel rod and then just pushed those pegs down flat, and it welded them together. There we go. Now for this little bit of screen that's in the hole where the screw goes, I just took an awl and spread it out so the screw would go in around it. That kind of helps hold it in place. Just like that. And you've got a nice looking screen that'll keep the bugs out. You know, I figured those LED lights were going to attract like Asian beetles and all that kind of stuff, and I'd go up there and the box would be absolutely packed with them. So anyway, hope this will take care of that. Hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.